People in our area are absolutely sick to the back teeth of sewage spills ruining our rivers and our seas. Whether it's here in Llanrwst, in Dolwyddelan, Llanfechan or Llandudno West Shore, I've had hundreds of letters from residents asking me to take action on this issue. So it's good news that today Ofwat have concluded their investigation and there's going to be a £45 million enforcement package slapped on Dŵr Cymru so they can start to put these things right. I've already written to the CEO of Dŵr Cymru to ask for a meeting, and when that meeting happens, I'm going to be asking him which sites in our area are going to be benefiting from that funding. It's also really important to say that the enforcement package is going to be paid for from Dŵr Cymru profits. It isn't going to be coming out of customers' bills. That's really, really important because we already know that water bills are far too high. Lastly, I just want to say that there's new legislation that the UK Labour government is bringing forward. So a new water bill was announced at the King's Speech a few weeks ago. That means that the UK government and the Welsh government will be looking together at the whole issue of water regulation and working out the best way forward on that, because we can't have the situation continuing. Rivers and seas in Wales, they're so amazing, they're beautiful, and they belong to all of us.